Have you ever downloaded a new piece of software, maybe a video editor or a camera utility, and suddenly all your video files have a new weird icon? You double-click a movie to watch it, and instead of your favorite player, some complex editing app starts loading up. It's incredibly frustrating when your Mac decides what you want without asking. I'm from SubHow2, and today I'm going to show you how to take back control. We're going to fix your default apps for videos, music, and documents, and I'll show you the pro trick to make sure it stays that way forever. Let's start with the most common problem, video files. To fix this, find any video file on your desktop or in your folders. It doesn't matter which one, as long as it's the type of file you want to fix, like an MP4 or an MOV file. Right-click on that file and select Get Info. Or, if you want to be fast, just click the file once and hit Command+I on your keyboard. This opens a tall, skinny window with a lot of data about that file. Look toward the bottom of this window for a section called Open With. You might need to click the little arrow next to it to expand the menu. Here, you'll see the current default app. Click that drop-down menu and you'll see a list of recommended applications. These are apps your Mac knows can handle this file. If you want to use VLC or QuickTime, just select it from the list. Now, this is where most people make a mistake. If you just close the window now, you have only changed the setting for that one specific file. The next video you download will still open in the wrong app. To fix this for every video on your Mac, you must look right below that drop-down menu and click the button that says Change All. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to change all similar documents to open with this application. Click Continue. Now, every single file with that specific extension, for example, every .mp4 file, will now open in your preferred player. But stay tuned, because there is a catch when it comes to different video formats. Video files come in different flavors or extensions. You might have some that end in .mp4, others in .mov, and some in .kvm. macOS treats these as completely different types of files. So, if you changed your .mp4 files to open with VLC, your .kvm files might still be trying to open in QuickTime. To truly clean up your system, you need to find one of each type of file you own and repeat the Get Info and Change All process for each extension. It takes an extra minute, but it ensures that no matter what you download, it always opens in the app you actually like. What if your app isn't in the list? Sometimes you might want to use a specific app, but it doesn't show up in that Open With list. This usually happens because the app hasn't told macOS that it can handle that file type. In the Get Info window, click that drop-down menu again and go to the very bottom to select Other. This opens your Applications folder. If the app you want is grayed out and you can't click it, change the Enable setting at the bottom of the window from Recommended Applications to All Applications. Now you can force the Mac to use any app you want. Just be careful. Trying to open a video file with Microsoft Excel won't work, even if you force it. But for things like specialized media players, this All Applications trick is a lifesaver. You might be wondering, why did this happen in the first place? When you install apps like the GoPro Player, Adobe Premiere, or even some third-party browsers, their installers often have a tiny pre-checked box that says Make Default for supported media types. Most of us click Next or Agree so fast that we miss it. Whenever you install a new app, keep an eye out for those checkboxes. Also, some apps will reset themselves as the default after they perform a software update. If you notice your defaults have changed back, just run through the Get Info steps again to reclaim your settings. That is the simplest, most effective way to manage your default apps on a Mac. It works for videos, music, PDFs, and even web links. No more waiting for heavy apps to load just to watch a 10-second clip. Did this help clear up your wrong app headaches? Let us know in the comments. If you have any other Mac annoyances you want us to solve, drop a suggestion below. Hit that like button and subscribe to SubHow2 for more quick and easy tech fixes.